Hello and welcome to More Veg Cuisine, my desi kitchen with a western touch. Today I am sharing the recipe of potato and chicken open face sandwiches. Flatbread with a spread of chicken and potato mixture, sprinkled with some cheese, baked it, cheesy, creamy, open face potato and chicken sandwiches. So let's go and make it happen. So for these sandwiches, we need boiled and mashed potatoes, like around a cup, 1 pound of chicken mashed and boiled, black pepper, salt, and whatever seasoning you like to prefer and you like to add in your sandwiches. I just add these two seasonings. So in a mixing bowl, add the potatoes, chicken, mix well, and then I've added low-fat cream cheese wedges. You can add whichever cream cheese you want, but I like it. It gives a very different kind of taste. So just use your hand, mix everything together, add all the spices. Now keep that mixture covered in the fridge for future use. You can keep that mixture in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So now we're gonna go to our next step. Now the assembling part, you need bread slices, some sauce, I'm using pizza sauce, some cheese, I'm using a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. Then I have my prepared mixture. Now just to spread the sauce, I'm using pizza sauce as I told you. So just spread the pizza sauce on top of your bread slices. Now spread it evenly all over your bread on all the slices. Now take a spoonful of mixture, just spread it on your bread slice. I prefer working with the hand because it's with the potato it's a little thicker, so just try to fold the whole piece. Spread all around it. Then you sprinkle some cheese. I'm using a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. I say pepper jack would be a great option. Just sprinkle it all over it. And then I sprinkled oregano. Oregano give it a little different kind of aroma to it. And then sprinkle some red chili flakes. That's totally optional. If you want to give that a little spicy kick, you can add that. Now transferring it to the baking tray. I line my baking tray with the foil paper. Just bake it on 350 degrees until the cheese is melted. And then voila! Crispy bread at the bottom, creamy cheesy chicken potato mixture, and a cheese crust on top. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it and if you have any more suggestions, please leave the comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram.